Come here. Hey, hold it. What is that? I'm gonna bungkag the motor.
Okay, I will watch you.
Okay.
Why you need to bungkag everything and make the motor brown?
Because that's his color.
No, you like black Dubai and also gray?
No, I like the lighter one.
Okay.
You like it? You
Yeah.
like it for me?
Usapang motor naman tayo guys. Together with me is Caleb and babaklisan ko yung flarings na motor kasi it's been 8 years and I want something fresh para sa motor ko. So eto na guys, nabaklas ko na lahat. Hindi pala lahat, yung major flarings lang. And ito yung motor ko. Literal na naked bike na siya. So ngayon dadalhin ko na yung flarings sa Cars 101. So here we are guys sa Cars 101 and pinakita ko na sa kanila yung ipapagawa kong flarings.
Mali kaya ng mga edging crack, ano ba na yung warranty? So asa ang
Kani kung sa yung brown, at kani yung color niya, mo na po to
Brown na po.
brown na po niya. Kani
Okay.
siya, brown gyud po ni siya. Pila siya ka days trabahoon miss?
Mga 5 to 6 days siguro sir.
Lagi na dugo quotation miss if ever all kaning tanan lang nga brown sa.
Mo ni siya ng day
Okay.
black abilan password.
45 black.
So ayan guys, 9K for my desired color and texture. Medyo napakamot ako nun, but let's see what would be the result and I'll see you on my next vlog on this.